Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marine Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your heated seats in your 2018 Mercedes Benz CLA 250. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the center console. And once you get to the center console, you're going to see a seat logo that heats up. So you're going to have some for both sides of the center console. The left hand side, of course, indicates for the driver's seat, and the right hand side is the passenger side. Unfortunately, this vehicle does not come with the rear passenger heated seats. So with that being said, let's start with the function. So of course, when you press on it, it activates the heated steering wheel. So it starts off, of course, at the highest setting. So three red lights. Let me focus in on that. And the more you press on it, the lower the setting gets. So medium, low, and of course, off. Same thing goes for the right hand side or the passenger side of the vehicle. High, medium, and low. And press it again to turn it off. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marine Acura, and thank you guys for watching.